Right, guys, I'm just going to go through the first look with Portrait Pro, the 2024 version. Again, like I said, go and try it yourself. Don't leave it just to me to be talking about this all the time. I just give you my opinion and what I use this software for in all the videos I produce. Anyway, so don't forget, like, subscribe. It does help my channel. I am trying to build this channel up as much as I can so that little like and a little comment below each video that you watch, or if you do watch them, it really does help me, so appreciate that. Okay, so jumping straight in, I've got the Portrait Pro 23, the Studio Max version, and it is running on 23.1. And this other version of Portrait Pro, like I said, it's just come out. They sent me a copy of this, the Portrait Pro Studio Max version, to try. I could use it as long as I want, obviously. And yeah, anyway, so this one is just the 24.0 version. So the latest one, the latest one of that one and the latest one of the 23. Now, straight off the bat, looking at the layout of each one, I'm just going to make this one a little bit bigger, as this is the newish one. The main differences we've got is the addition of the in-painting panel, which is here. Now, this allows you to adjust the mouth area, add teeth if the person's got crooked teeth, etc. And then we've got the option for reducing the reflection in glasses. I'm going to show you how that works in just a tick. But we'll just go through the other things as well. We've got the stray hairs remover, remove in painting effects. So that is once you've done some effects, if you want to remove bits of it, I guess that's going to allow you to remove some of the effects. And then we've got face recovery, which is used for anything. It's hard for me to do that one because it says it's for blurred images, blah, blah, blah. It's very rare I get a blurred image. So, or if I do, I just delete them straight away. So something like that, it's not going to be for me. Like I said, I just give you my personal opinion of what I use this software for. So face recovery, I'm just not going to be using, I don't think. Right, okay, so what I will do first is we'll just show you how quick we can just make a edit of this picture we've got on at the moment. So I will close down 2023. As I don't need that one now, and then we will make this one full screen. Again, now, look, when you're using this software, it's to make your life easier. Now, you're not showing these pictures, or you're not going to be doing these pictures for another photographer. You're doing it for the average person in the street who's come and hired you to do a photo shoot with a family or model or whatever, and you want to make them look the best. So this is the simplest and quickest way to do this. Anyway, you're going to see yourself. I can waffle on all day about the software, but I've been using it for over, I'd say 13, 14 years now. Something like that, since back in the day. It's improved so much over time, and I just love it. It just makes my life easier. Anyway, right, so first thing, I always make sure when I start a picture, everything is turned off, just as I have here. I like them all switched off, and then I start afresh. Now, you can do presets if you want to, blah, blah, blah. You can do batch conversions with the Studio Max. Again, them sort of functions for me, I would never use, because every picture, there's little differences. So batch conversions for me, I just wouldn't use. I like to do them individually because you're only going to be doing probably, I would say, between 5 and 10. I don't know, but for me, I'll probably be doing 5 and 10 images. You just want that one wow or two wow ones. And yeah, anyway, so first things first, let's go in. I mean, she looks great anyway, but we're just going to make some adjustments. She's got quite a neutral makeup. Now, it's good to ask your model to come in with a neutral makeup look, and then you can just give her that wow factor, or give him, that different look, or just that polished look that people are looking for their Instagram or portfolios, etc. Anyway, so here we go. We're going to do it nice and quick. Let's time this as we go along. We're just going to adjust the face just a little bit there. Again, we're doing this as quick as we can, as if you're in the studio or, you know, with your client and you want to get them a picture done straight away. This is how quick you can do this. So we're going to just get the head forward just a little bit, just chisel that jawline just a little bit. Now again, lens correction, something I don't use much on this software, but anyway, you've got it there. We're just going to give it a little bit of hair volume. Again, I use this in junction with Photoshop, so other things I will do in Photoshop, but the main part for me is just getting that glammy look to my pictures, and this is the best way for me to do it. Anyway, so here we go. Hairline, we're just going to bring that down just a little bit. Close that one up. Into the makeup one. Let's get those eyes popping with some added eyelashes. I think we'll keep it on the medium one. All the way up on that one. We'll get the texture as sharp as possible. And then we're just going to go in with a bit of eyeliner. And then on the lower eye as well. Just to about there. Just a little bit of blush. Again, some of these things you just do moderation. Highlight the eyebrows with a pencil. Just a little bit extra. Probably around about the 2-3 mark. Close that one down. Again, we're just doing this nice and quick so you can see the difference yourself, how quick you can just adjust these pictures. I've tried myself personally using, you know, Photoshop actions and this, that, and the other, and, you know, the eyelash brushes, blah, blah, blah. It's just faffing around too much. For my sort of work, I don't want to be messing around too much. I just want them to look great in the shortest amount of time, and this is what we can do with this software. So we're just going to get a little bit of a temperature change on that hair, just to give it that more of a blondie, I think the platinum blonde look. There we go. I think that's the name you call it. We'll just nip into the eye one. Sharpen those eyes just a little bit. Just going to brighten the iris up just a little bit. Close that one. Again, I'll probably do some other things to this. We're just going to get rid of those spots she's got. Let's have a look. Spot removal. We'll remove the pore area just a little bit. Some of the imperfections around about there. Like I said, some of these things I do use in conjunction with Photoshop. So anyway, we're just doing a quick makeover. Now, this is where the magic comes with this software. The modeling and the lighting effects you can do. I think we'll have it as, if we just look in the eye, we have got the eye, the one light there above and there's one below. So we would have an evenly lit picture, but we're just going to give it a little bit more dramaticized on the right hand side. We're going to get those eyes smoking just a little bit. Get the pout going. Sculpt the nose just a tad more. And the chin area, bring that down just a little bit. I just want to jump into the picture color. I'm going to make it a little bit colder. We'll add a little bit of sharpening. I want to get some gloss on those lips as well. There we go. So there we go. A quick wow factor for this image, in my opinion. 1, 2, 1, 2. Now, like I said, some people say it's two different people, it's two different people, all that bullshit. Sorry for swearing. But look, when people come in for a makeover photo shoot, they want to look glam. That's just a fact, yeah? It's not two people, it's what makeup does to any person that applies it is make them look wow. It's as simple as that. So that is what we're doing with this software. We're going from the standard plain Jane just to give them that wow factor in seconds. Now, she could come in already made up like this, or she wouldn't, she might want this makeup style in the future. So she can go to her makeup artist and say, I like this sort of style that they've given me in this picture. Can you recreate it for me in real life with makeup? And they will say, that's not a problem, madam. Yes, we can do it. Anyway, quick rant. I wanted to get this video out nice and quick. Now, the other week I did post a video regarding doing a comparison between this software, which is the one I use 98% of the time, and Evoto. Evoto's just added some updates, so I've been holding off, and then Portrait Pro brought 2024 version out, so now I want to do the comparison this week, the ultimate. Now, I've got a clear winner. I don't want to say which one it is now, but you'll see yourself the differences and the final products, and you can see for yourself which one you would like. Anyway, I'm going to leave that picture there, and I just want to show you quickly one of the main features of this software, and one of the updates, which is, we'll just save this image. I have noticed as well, it does run a little bit quicker than the previous version. I'm running a M1 Mac, 16 gig of RAM, and yeah, it runs great for me. Right, so I'm just going to go quick into the in-painting. Now, what it says it can reduce. It doesn't remove, it reduces glare in the glasses, which I've tried already, and it does do quite a good job. Okay, so it'll do processing. Give it a few seconds. Can you see a difference? Get rid of all these ones. We don't want it doing anything else to the face. Am I doing something wrong? Oh, sorry. Yeah, you need to go into these options as well. Right, so we've got off option 1. Let's try that one, processing. If you're not happy with the result, it's making slight differences. So there's before, there's after. So it takes that glare away just a little bit. I suppose you could touch it up just a little bit more in Photoshop, but that is one of the new features that they are promoting with this software. It's probably something I won't use that often. There's one of the new features. We'll try some more out in the next video. Don't forget, like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.